Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is my daily job routine. My day begins early in the morning. I wake up, get ready and head to the office. My work day usually starts at 9 a.m. and ends at 5 p.m. At my office, I have a designated desk where I work. My desk has a computer, a phone, and a few essential supplies like a notebook, pens, and sticky notes. When I arrive at work, I first check my emails. Emails are an important way for my colleagues and me to communicate about tasks and projects. After responding to any urgent messages, I start working on my task for the day. My work can include writing reports, organizing files, attending meetings, or working on special projects. I also use various computer programs to make my work easier and more efficient. The office where I work is clean, organized, and professional. It has several desks arranged in rows, and each employee has their own workspace. There are also meeting rooms, a pantry, and a long area where we can take short breaks. The office is usually quiet, which helps us focus on our work. The atmosphere in my office is friendly but professional. Everyone respects each other's space and time. Sometimes we decorate the office for special occasions like holidays or team celebrations. This makes the workplace feel warm and welcoming. One of the best parts of my job is working with my colleagues. They are helpful, friendly, and supportive. We often work together on projects, which makes the work more enjoyable and efficient. When we face challenges, we discuss them as a team and come up with solutions. Sometimes we also share personal stories during lunch breaks or celebrate special occasions like birthdays. These moments help us build stronger relationships and create a positive work environment. Working with colleagues has taught me the importance of teamwork. I have learned how to listen to others, respect their opinions, and work together toward common goals. My office job has helped me develop many valuable skills. One of the most important skills I have learned is time management. I have to plan my day carefully to make sure all my tasks are completed on time. I have also improved my communication skills, writing clear and professional emails, speaking confidently in meetings, and explaining my ideas to others have become a regular part of my job. Another skill I have gained is problem solving. Every day, I face small challenges but require me to think critically and find solutions. This has made me more confident in handling difficult situations. Additionally, I have learned how to use different computer programs, which has made my work more efficient. These skills are not only useful for my current job but also for my future career. While I enjoyed my office job, it's not without challenges. Sometimes the workload can be heavy, especially during busy periods. Managing multiple tasks at the same time can be stressful, but I try to stay organized and focused. My office job is more than just a way to earn money, it's a platform for learning, growth, and building meaningful relationships. While it comes with its challenges, the rewards make it worthwhile. I am grateful for the opportunities my job has given me and look forward to continuing my journey in this field. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon with another similar video. Until next time, goodbye.